Hello all, welcome to Engineering World. So today we are going to discuss one of the project that is TikTok 2 game using C++. Okay, so what exactly is this TikTok 2 game? TikTok 2 game is a game where two players X and O will fill the hash shaped box. It contains two vertical lines and two horizontal lines with their alternate turns. The player who first fill the box with 3x or 3 O's in a horizontal or vertical, then they are going to win the game. So that is the concept of TikTok to game. And this is one of the game, it is very easy to understand the source code. Okay, let's see the source code for TikTok to game. Hash include iostream, hash include string. So these are the some header files we included here. Char board of 3 by 3 because we have taken 3 by 3 matrix here, that is of multi-dimensional array. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is of multi-dimensional array. So again we have declared rows, columns, and char chance is equals to x. So there may be a uh, the both will get a chance to play. Okay, so that is as we initialized a chance, and we have taken bool draw is equals to false, means the bool is one of the keyword. It is a statement where it contains a true false statements. Okay, and we have taken one of the box function that is displays current state of the board. Void show underscore board, it is one of the function. So in this function we are going to print a player 1 of x, player 2 of 0. So to draw a particular hash symbol we are going to print this all these things, because for first line we are going to say in the matrix as board of 0, next board of 0 of 1, board of 0 2, like that. It is in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So that is when we are going to print a hash symbol inside this function. This is a game board layout. And again we have taken another function here, void player underscore chance, because there is a chance to both the players. Player 1 let us consider as a x. So if chance is equals to x, then see out the player 1 of x. Okay, we have to print that, because if there is chance of x, else if chance is equals to o, then we have to print that player 2 of o, and updating the board based on their choice. Okay, whenever they are going to play the game, the game automatically get updated. Okay, and we have taken here input for the choice also, and this choice will passed into the switch statement. We are using switch to know whether uh, which row and which column will get updated. Okay, so that is the reason we are going to use here switch statement. And in this switch statement we have considered totally 9 cases. Firstly, we know these cases are like it is in the form of matrix. Okay, if suppose a player has chosen a board of 0 and 1, then the case 2 is going to get execute, or else it is going to update. For suppose if player O has chosen board of 1 and 1, rows is equals to 1, column is equals to 1, then case 5. Okay, so we have written for each case a break statement, because to exit from the particular case. Okay, and default is nothing but see out, sorry, it is not valid. If all the cases are false, then default statement has to be get execute. And again we have taken conditional statements. For suppose if there is a chance of x, and we have taken row if there is a chance of x. Okay, and we are going to update the x value, because for suppose x has chosen from 1 to 9, it has chosen 5, then at the 5 place the x we are going to print. Okay, for every time the game has to be get updated. If chance is equals to o, if o has chosen some number 6, okay, then in that 6th place we are going to print o. Okay, so in this way uh, that is the reason we written some conditional statements here. Or else last statement, see how this box is already filled, you have to choose another one. Okay, player underscore chance where input is filled. So again we have taken one of the function, that is boolean underscore what is the function, bool game complete. We are checking whether win for rows and columns. We are using some for loop here. Okay, and inside the for loop we are going to print board of I of 0, and we are checking the each and every conditions. We have used nested if here, inside if, under if we have used, and again we are going to take under for loop int z is equals to 0, z less than 3, z plus plus. And So if both are not going to win the game, for suppose X has game has completed, X and O has both completed the game, they have filled all the numbers in the 3 by 3 matrix. For suppose they are not, but no one has won the game. So then this is a condition, like if board of I Z is not equal to X and board of IJ is not equal to O, then you have to return true, and draw is equals to true. You have to return the false. So check if game is already draw. Okay, so we are going to check whether the game is draw or X has won or O has won the game. We are going to check it. And again we have from the main function, we are going to print a tick talk to game and see out there are two players, and while we are going to use a while loop here. Inside the while loop, the game complete function we are going to declare as a condition, and show underscore board is going to call inside the main function. This function has to be called. Player underscore chance is called. Okay, function call. Game complete semicolon. So these are the functions which we have declared, and we are going to call inside the main function. And again we have taken some conditional statements. If chance is equals to x and draw is equals to false. For suppose there is a chance of x, okay, and it does not, it can't win the game. It means draw is equals to false. Then see out, congratulations, player with O has won the game. Else if chance is equals to O, draw is equals to false, then see out, congratulations, player with X won the game. If both didn't won the game, then else statement, the game has to be draw. Okay, so this is about source code of Tick-Tock-Two game using C++. So in this we used main concepts, arrays, functions, and we did function calls also, and we used switch statement, conditional statements. So these are the basic concepts which we used in Tick-Tock-Two game. Okay, so let's see output for this source code. So if you see here, the player won X, it means it is a turn of X. Okay, let's enter 2. If you observe at the place of 2, X has printed. Okay, again player 2, it's O turn. Let's see, 3. If you observe at the 3 place, O has printed. Again, now X turn, 5. Again it's O turn, 6. So this is a way where it's going to update the values, okay, and like this it's going to update it. Okay, if you observe at the 6th place, O has came. If X turn is 8, for suppose I have taken 8, yes, so congratulations, player with X won the game, because we got like this 3 X's, okay, vertically. If any one of the player will get X, 3X or 3 votes vertically or horizontally, they are going to win the game. In this situation, X has won the game. In this way, the output we are going to get. So thank you for watching my video, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye.